Hi guys, Megan here. Today we are going to do a resistance band workout. So go and grab your resistance band and let's get to it. Hey everyone, my name is Megan. This is a health and fitness channel. I am going to show you workouts that I do along with some meal prep ideas, some recipe ideas and some smoothie ideas. If this is something that interests you, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and click that little bell. Okay, as I said before, we are going to do a resistance band workout today. It will be 4 exercises across 3 rounds. We are going to do 30 seconds on and we are going to do 15 seconds off. It will be dynamic lunges, rotator cuffs, shoulder expansions, and bicycle legs. Let's get to it. First up are our dynamic lunges. So grab your resistance band and pop it around your ankle and let's get to it. Three, 2, 1, go. Next up, we have our rotator cuffs. So hop down on your knees and pop your resistance band around your hands. Three, 2, 1, go. Next, we're going to do shoulder expansions. Same position as rotator cuffs. Get ready. Three, 2, 1, go. Now we've got our bicycle legs. Hop down on your back and put your resistance bands around your feet. Three, 2, 1, go. Time for round 2. Let's get back to those dynamic lunges. Three, 2, 1, go. Time to do our rotator cuff again. Three, 2, 1, go. up, let's get back to shoulder expansions. 3, 2, 1, go. Last up, those bicycle legs, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Time for our last round. Let's get back to those dynamic lunges. 3, 2, 1, go. Last lot of rotator cuffs. 3, 2, 1, go. Time for those shoulder expansions again. 3, 2, 1, go. Last exercise, everybody. Bicycle legs time. 3, 2, 1, go. Great effort, guys. You have just smashed out the resistance band workout with me. I'm definitely feeling it in my shoulders, so I hope you are too. If this is something that interests you, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, click that bell, go find another workout, and I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.